Alright, so in order to graph this inequality by hand, I first need to have it as y equals mx plus b. So the first thing I'm going to do is that. I'm going to convert this to a y equals mx plus b. So put the line down the inequality sign, and I know I have to move the 2x over. Okay, so here I do the opposite or inverse operation, which would be plus 2x to move it to the other side. Remember, to move things to the other side, we add or subtract only. Y is greater than 2x plus 9. So there is my equation in y equals mx plus b. Now I'm going to have to graph it. Okay? Remember that this part is my y-intercept. So I go on my graph, this is my y-axis. Okay? And that's where I'm going to graph the 9. So I'm going to find the 9 here, which is right there. There's my y-intercept. Now this is my slope. The slope is 2. Because I'm going to graph it by hand, I need a fraction because I need rise over run. So this is a whole number and I don't have anything on the bottom. We put a 1 there to make it a fraction, 2 over 1. So that means both are positive, so I'm going to rise up and I'm going to run to the right. Now notice here I'm out of room. So I cannot count things up. I can also do the reverse. To have positive slope, I can have both be positives, or I can also have both be negatives, because negative divided by a negative is also a positive. If you can't think of it this way, just remember you can reverse it. So if you went up and to the right, you can go down and to the left. Okay, but you need to reverse for both opposites. So I can also have down 2 and to the left 1, and it'll still give me that line. So down 2 to the left 1. And you can check it by choosing the last point you did and then reverse it. Okay, so did I go 2 up 1, 2 up 1? Oh yeah, okay, so it works. Okay, so again, you can also reverse that slope. After I put my dots, I'm going to go back to my inequality sign. And this one is a greater than, and it does not have a line under it. So I know that this will be dashed. And greater means that I'm going to shade on the top. Okay? So then I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to dash the line. And I'm going to shade on the top of the line. Okay? And that's how that would look.